national integration. I am happy to inform the August House that as a result of additional financial support provided to the railways at the instance of the Honorable Prime Minister, we are now on the course of convert the strategically important 510-kilometer long Rangia Murkol Sek meter gauge line to broad gauge within this financial year. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh would soon be on trial map in this financial year, as Harmuti Nahar Lagoon new line is expected to be commissioned shortly. The state of Meghalaya is also all set to come on the railway map in this financial year, as Dudhnoi Mendi Patar new line is going to complete it by March 2014.